In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Outlook email password. This guide is perfect for those moments when you might have forgotten your password or just need to update it for security reasons. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're back into your account in no time. First, let's open up Google Chrome. Any web browser will work, but I'll be using Chrome for this demonstration. Once you're there, type in this web address, account.live.com/password/reset. This URL will take you directly to the Outlook password reset page, where you can start the process of regaining access to your email account. Now, on this page, you'll find a field where you're prompted to enter your Outlook email address. Carefully input your email address here, double checking to make sure there are no typos. Once you're confident everything has been entered correctly, proceed by clicking continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a verification method to confirm your identity. This is a crucial step to ensure that it's really you trying to reset your password. You'll typically have a few options to verify your identity, such as receiving a code via email, having it sent to your phone, or using an authenticator app if you've set that up. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. After selecting your preferred method, you'll need to follow the specific prompts to verify your identity. For instance, if you choose to receive a code via email or phone, check your inbox or text messages for a code, and then enter it into the provided field on the website. Remember, these steps are designed to protect your account, so while it might seem a bit thorough, it's all for keeping your information secure. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be given the opportunity to create a new password. Make sure to choose something that's unique and strong, ideally a password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. It's a good practice to make it something memorable, but difficult for others to guess. After you've entered your new password, you'll usually be asked to confirm it by typing it again, just to be sure there are no mistakes. Finally, with your new password set, it's time to try logging back into your Outlook account. Return to the Outlook sign-in page, enter your email, and the newly created password. If everything's been done correctly, you should now have access to your account once again. That's it! You've successfully reset your password. Remember to store your new password somewhere safe or consider using a password manager to help keep it secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process simple and clear for you. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.